Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I'm going to finish doing my spring cutbacks. Now, I started this a month ago and I meant to keep doing it, but I don't know. I got busy and now we are in March and I really need to do it because all the plants are growing. But of course, my lawnmower, I can't ever get it started on my own. So, hey David, I need your help.
I got something for you, Bree.
Oh my God.
It's electric.
What in the world is this? This is so exciting. Okay, hang on. I got to turn this around. This is incredible. What in the world did you get? This is a significant upgrade.
Well, I was at Clay's Power Equipment getting a kit to work on the lawnmower to service it for the spring, and I saw the new electric mowers, and I love Stihl products, so I couldn't resist. And I know you can't start our old mower, so you should be able to fire this right up and do it by yourself.
You mean I can do spring cutbacks without supervision?
You sure can.
Okay, you have to show me how this works. This is so cool.
Okay, so it's got a battery under here, and we've got the battery charged, and the key is a big fuse, so just keep that in there. It's got 2 speeds. This is on eco mode, and then there's a more fast mode, and it's got a spot to store an extra battery. And you can see how charged it is by hitting that button. It's all the way charged up. All right, you just close that. All right, so you got instructions right here. You hit the button, and then you pull it back.
Oh my God. Okay, so I hit the button.
Hit the button, hold it down. Now pull that bar in. Now you can let go of the button.
And that's it.
That's it.
Okay, so let's go up to the front yard where I need to do some serious mowing. And actually,
We shouldn't neglect the old mower. It gave us some good service. It still runs. It's pretty awesome. I got it on sale. It was a return, and I kind of messed with the carburetor a little bit and got it working good. A couple years ago, I think a chupacabra ate the gas tank, so I got the hot glue gun out and some tape and kind of glued the top back on because the new gas tank was more than the mower. But I think it's ready to retire. So how high do you want it to be? Do you want it up higher so you're not hitting any of the new growth on the ground?
yes, that would be the goal. So hang on, let me show everybody what we're mowing. This is a big patch of Phlox paniculata that I should have mowed a month ago, but I didn't. And you can see how it's growing vegetatively. So don't really want to nip all that. I just want to chop up all the old stalks from last year. And yeah, it would be easy to pull them and dump them in a compost bin, but I like mowing in place because it actually makes all that compost drop in the spot and actually decompose right where it was growing. So, okay, show me how.
So this is really simple. It's one lever and it does all 4 wheels. So you can go down to a 1 or go all the way up to 7, and that gives you a lot of ground clearance.
Oh, that's incredible. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on a 7. And if it's not low enough, we can always just go a notch lower.
That's right.
Well, David, you have outdone yourself in surprising me with a toy that is Bree friendly.
Yeah, you seem pretty smitten with your new toy.
Well, not only is it really easy to use and super easy to start, the fact that it's electric, in this moment right now when gas prices are soaring is that much more like user friendly. I just wish I had more areas in the garden that I needed to cut down, because I could spend the next 5 hours playing with this. Well, I hope that you will be inspired to consider looking into some electric tools, just like this Stihl electric lawnmower. I will definitely be featuring this in lots of videos throughout the year as I need to mow different areas of the garden down, particularly in June, when I'll be cutting back all of the grains. This mow in place method is just a really efficient way to compost and improve your soil by adding as much organic matter as possible. And I hope that you did find this video to be helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.